Hello, I'm here to talk to you about the Lead Gen Summit 2018, which is going on October the 5th. I'm very excited to be speaking there, so I thought I would do a little video to just give you an idea of the kind of stuff that I'm covering off. Behind me we've got King John. He's having a bit of maintenance work there done. This is historic Egham, and I'm going to be coming all the way from Egham to Farnborough. What I'm going to be talking about is leads. Obviously, it's the Lead Gen Summit, so I'm going to be talking about leads. But I'm going to be talking specifically about tactics that you can implement in your business. I'm going to show you how to do them step by step. So, for example, maybe you've heard that something like a Facebook group would be good for your business, but maybe you're concerned that a group that you start would have nobody in it. So how would you get from a point of having nobody in it to a point where there's actually a critical mass where it's sort of worth being a group? That would worry me. Does it worry you? What other things might be worrying you? Maybe you're doing a lot of stuff, but you really don't know whether it's working or not. Is tracking an issue for you? Maybe that's something that I could help you with. What about if you're putting on an event, or maybe you're going to speak at somebody else's event? How can you best engage with that audience? Does that audience know you already, or is it a cold audience to you? What are the tools and the techniques that you can put in place so that that audience gets to know, like and trust you and starts to get to a point where they're prepared to buy from you and then hopefully to recommend you to other people? So what are the challenges you're facing in your business right now? If you've got a specific one that you'd like me to step by step help you solve, then get in touch with me on social media, search for me on Facebook or search for me on LinkedIn, connect and let me know. If there are any that have got some real meat to them that I think other people are really going to want to know about how to do it step by step as well, we'll cover it off. That's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be bringing 3 ninja techniques to the summit. Come and see us. It's October the 5th. I believe the tickets are on sale now, so if you just go to theleadgensummit.com, you can go and buy yourself a ticket. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.